In the heart of Rome stands the Trajan Market, the largest shopping center in the entire ancient world. Once towering 6 stories high, in ancient times, the Trajan Market used to have a library, an upper level for offices, and many shops and apartments. Roman citizens often went grocery shopping there. In lower levels, there was mostly shops, but sometimes concerts were held there.
The Trajan's Market consisted of over 150 shops. It is the ancient Roman version of our mall. The Trajan's Market was built by Apollodorus of Damascus between 100 and 110 AD. It was built into the side of a large hill called the Via Dea Fori Imperial. It is still considered one of the finest examples of Roman architecture today because of its enormous height. The market is still standing and you can visit it today. Tourists from all over the world visit the Trajan's Market to admire its beauty.